Question number 31. A man can row a boat at a speed of 20 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, in what time he can row a distance of 75 km downstream? Boat still in water is 20 km per hour. Speed of the stream S is equal to 5 km per hour. S is equal to 5 km per hour. In what time he can row a distance of 75 km downstream? So required time equal to downstream distance by downstream speed. Downstream distance is 75 km divided by downstream speed is boat still in a water plus speed of the current. 75 divided by 25. 25 one time, 25 3 times 75 equal to 3 hours. Time equal to 3 hours. Option D. Question number 32. In an examination, 25% candidates failed in English and 35% students failed in Hindi. If 15% candidates failed in both, what is the percentage of candidates who passed in both the subjects? %25 failed in English. English equal to 25% failed. 35% students failed in Hindi. Hindi equal to 35% failed. English and Hindi both failed is 15%. English and Hindi both failed 15%. 25% plus 35% minus 15%. And this minus 15% is both English and Hindi failed, so subtract 15%. 60% minus 15% equal to 45%. 45% failed. The percentage of candidates who passed in both the subjects. So required percentage of candidates equal to total is 100%, subtract 45% failed. 100% minus 45%, 55%. 55% candidates passed in both the subjects. Option C. Question number 33. The ratio of the ages of Ramu and Somu is 2:7. After 6 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:2. What is the difference in their present ages? Let the present ages of Ramu and Somu are 2x and 7x. Present age of Ramu and Somu is 2x and 7x. As per question, after 6 years, their ages will be 1:2. So 2x plus 6 divided by 7x plus 6 equal to 1/2. 1:2 is 1/2. Cross multiplication. 4x plus 12 equal to 7x plus 6. 3x equal to 6 and x is equal to 2. So Ramu present age is 2x. 2 into 2, 4 years. And Somu present age is 7x. 7 into 2, 14 years. Difference is 7x minus 2x equal to 14 years minus 4 years equal to 10 years. Difference in their present ages 10 years. Option C. Question number 34. A cyclist moving at a speed of 20 km per hour crosses a bridge in 2 minutes. What is the length of the bridge? In this question, length of the bridge is equal to the distance covered by the cyclist at a speed of 20 km per hour in 2 minutes. So speed equal to 20 km per hour and time equal to 2 minutes. 20 km per hour converted to meter per second. to 9 times 18 to 10 times 20 equal to 50 by 9 meter per second. 20 kilometer per hour equal to 50 by 9 meter per second. And time equal to 2 minutes equal to 2 into 60. Into 60 is in seconds. Time equal to 120 seconds and speed is 50 by 9 meter per second. The length of the bridge. Distance equal to speed into time. Speed is 50 by 9 meter per second and time is 120 seconds. 3 times 9, 340 times 120. 50 into 40, 2000. Divide by 3. 3 one time, 3 6 times. By option verification, option D. Question number 35. The profit earned after the selling an article for 536 is same as the loss incurred after the article for 426. What is the cost price of the article? In this question, the condition is profit is same as the loss. Profit is same as the loss. So profit equal to loss. Profit is selling price minus cost price equal to loss is cost price minus selling price. 536 minus cost price equal to cost price minus 426. So 2 into cost price equal to 962. So cost price equal to 481. Option C. Question number 36. The LCM of two numbers is 7700 and their HCF is 11. If one of these numbers is 275, what is the other number? Let the other number is X. As per question, 275 into other number equal to 7700 into 11. So X is equal to 7700 into 11 by 275. 5 times 25, 2 is carry, 5 times 25. 15 times 75, 2 is carry, 4 times 20, 0, 0. 11 one time, 5 times 55 cancel. So X is equal to 1540 divided by 5. 5 one time 5, 308 times. Option C. Question number 37. The prices of a book and a pen are in the ratio 7:5. The price of a book is 200 more than the price of pen. Then the price of the pen is. Book and pen are in the ratio 7:5. So book ratio is 7 ratio and pen is 5 ratio. Difference in their prices equal to 7 ratio minus 5 ratio equal to 2 ratio. So 2 ratio equal to, we can write the price of a book is 200 more than the price of the pen. So 2 ratio equal to 200. 1 ratio equal to 100. Pen ratio is 5 ratio. So 5 ratio equal to 5 into 100, 500. The price of the pen is 500. Option B. Question number 38. The diameter and height of a cone are 14 cm and 24 cm respectively. Find the curved surface area of the cone. Diameter is 14 cm and height is 24 cm. We know that diameter equal to 2 into radius. So radius equal to diameter by 2. Equal to diameter is 14 cm. 14 divided by 2. Equal to radius equal to 7 cm. And height is equal to 24 cm. Slant height L is equal to under root of height square plus radius square. Under root of height is 24 square plus radius is 7 square. 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. 625. Under root of 625 equal to 25 centimeters. Surface area equal to pi RL 22/7 into radius is 7 centimeter and slant height L is 25 centimeter. 7 cancel. 22 into 25 550 centimeter square. Option C. Question number 39. The average age of 3 boys is 15 years. If their ages are in the ratio 3:5:7, then the age of the youngest boy is. Average age of 3 boys is 15 years. So total age of 3 boys is 15 into 3, 45 years. Total ratio is 3 plus 5 plus 7 equal to 15 ratio. Age of the youngest boy equal to age of the youngest boy ratio 3 by total ratio of 3 boys 15 into 45. 15 one time, 15 3 times 45, 3 into 3, 9 years. Age is 9 years. Option A. Question number 40. A train running at 36 km per hour crosses a pole in 25 seconds. Then the length of the train is. Speed equal to 36 km per hour and time is 25 seconds. Speed equal to 36 into 5 by 18. 36 km per hour converted to meter per second. 18 one time, 18 2 times 36. Speed equal to 2 into 5, 10 meter per second. And distance equal to speed into time. Speed is 10 meter per second into time is 25 seconds. Seconds cancel. 10 into 25, 250 meters. Distance equal to 250 meters. Option A. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video.